Howdy y'all, Cody and Jessica here. We are in the heart of Georgia. It's game day for those dogs.
Yes, it is. The Coney County.
Uh-huh. We're here with Callie and her husband Andy's not with us right now, but we are touring a Willow Ranch farmhouse. You're gonna love it. It's gorgeous. So let's go take a look.
So here we are in the Stair hall, which is gorgeous. I love your floors. Can you tell us about your floors?
Yes, they are palmetto rose, the oaks from the Charleston collection, and are engineered wood. They're the 4 millimeters, and they performed wonderfully so far. We just recently moved in this summer, so we're still working on a lot of things, but we've been very happy with the floors.
It's gorgeous. I love the color. Yes. And then, so in here, this is the Willow Ranch plan, but it's very similar to the Century Oak floor plan in this area. So if it looks familiar, that's why. Because you still have the stair hall, just like Century Oak, and just the same living room, dining room. The kitchen's slightly different, but very close. Same size for sure. So let's go into the living room. About why you chose this floor plan, the Willow Ranch floor plan.
The main reason, well, I saw it on YouTube or another video that you had done, and I just fell in love with it. I had looked at so many different plans, trying to find something that was coastal, farmhouse, but also I could put all of our life on one floor.
Yeah.
We have a child with Brown syndrome, and the stairs were just getting to be a challenge in our previous house.
Yeah.
And so this floor plan fit our family perfectly.
And you do still have the stairs.
Yeah.
But what do you have upstairs?
I have my office.
Okay.
In the loft. I put a desk up there for me. We have a TV where my daughter Emerson can hang out with her friends.
That's
we
good.
have our guest room up there.
Awesome. So you don't have to go up there every day, but you can keep all of your living and all your kids and family stuff down here.
Yeah.
Okay. And so tell me about your living room choices you made in here.
Pure white on the walls, and the ceiling is actually directive mist.
Oh, yeah. Just a slightly darker. Yeah.
A little bit of a warm effects there.
Yes.
We went with the frame TV, of course. The fireplace is reclaimed wood from Atlanta, and I can't think of the name of the place right now, but they were wonderful to work with.
Good.
So it's the hand, yeah, for the. So we love the doors to the outside. I think our favorite room when the weather's nice is definitely the porch.
Yeah. And I love how it just flows from the living room. You can open up the doors, get a breeze. It's really nice. All right, let's take a look in the dining room. Okay, so here we are in the dining room, which is open to the living room and the kitchen, but it still is also its own space, defined by the beams and the column. And so it feels casual, but can also be really a gorgeous space to entertain in as well. So what do you tell us about some of the things you have in your dining room?
Yeah, so my table's from James & James, and we love that. We've already had some dinners around it. It's been wonderful. My chairs are from Serena and Lily.
Beautiful.
I believe my sideboard is from Furniture Classics.
Okay.
And I think Haverty's I had those lents already, and so we repurposed those for this space. And
yes.
And everything, of course, is pure white. The other thing I love just about this whole space is I feel like I can be anywhere in the house and see outside.
Yes.
And that has been really fun.
Yeah. Because you live in this beautiful wooded area and you have lots of natural light coming in, and it's just nice to be able to take it all in from anywhere in the space. Yep. Let's go in the kitchen. Now we're in the Willow Ranch kitchen, which has a lot of similarities with the century oak. One big difference is right here, we have a hutch, built-in hutch, and it's just beautiful. It's a beautiful focal point in here. I love what you've done there. And then this island, what is your countertop?
It's quartzite.
Oh, it's beautiful. It's honed, right?
Honed.
Yeah.
Yes, it is honed.
And it almost looks like a marble. It's beautiful.
It's gorgeous. Another decision I labored over because I read there were so many beautiful choices.
Yeah.
But when I found this, I was like, okay, I think this is definitely it.
Yeah. Yeah. And so, and then we have these beautiful bar stools where people can gather around, and it's just a beautiful space. I love everything that you've done in here. What's your favorite part of the kitchen?
Oh goodness. I love the cabinet front from the refrigerator.
Yeah.
Dishwasher. I love the reclaimed wood. That just to me adds just a little bit of warmth and also nature. And so I love that. I really love my coffee cabinet. Coffee cabinet. Yeah, we use that every day, and we really enjoy that.
Yeah. And I like the wood over here, and it kind of balances the wood over there and
Adds to the white oak.
Totally. Looks fantastic. You were saying you have panel front appliances on the dishwasher and the refrigerator, and I love it, especially on your refrigerator because it balances out your coffee cabinet over there.
Yeah. I have two favorite doors in the house. This is one of them. Got it from Etsy. Doors by Deborah.
Oh,
She was great to work with, and it's just fine because I can see
yeah.
through outside, and
Yeah. It lets some of that light through. Yes. I love that. So how do you like this pantry?
I love it. I love that I was able to put my cabinets in here. I love the built-in microwaves. Just kind of out of the way, but still very convenient.
Yes.
I love the open shelves, and I love being able to see outside.
Yeah. That's really nice.
Yeah. And then, of course, my door is my favorite.
Yes. It's a fun door. I love that. And then we'll go ahead and do the mudroom since we're right here. And what's here? Laundry?
Read all of these. Yes, laundry. And I can move some things with that. I choose super quick. Because I'm sure you recognize the tile.
Yeah.
And I think I actually got it from Home Depot.
Yeah.
And it was the best price. Even though I found it at some other places. Yep. It was funny, I picked it out at another store, not recognizing or realizing in the moment it was the tile from your lengths.
It's a great tile. And then here's the mudroom. I love the color you chose here on the cabinets. What is that?
Yes, it's a smoky blue. From Sherwin-Williams as well. And everything else is pure white. And it's been wonderful. It's school starting back.
Yes.
Recently, and keeping everything organized and out of the way.
Love it. And that's the garage door and the laundry room. Okay. And then here in the Willow Ranch, we have this hall that goes back to 2 bedrooms. And right out here is a nice courtyard type patio. It's perfect for a grilling spot, hanging out, overlooking the pool, which is in progress. It's going to be so nice. And then the laundry room connects also to this hallway. So it goes all the way through to the mudroom as well.
Also, the girls. Jack and Jill.
Oh, it's so pretty.
And did wallpaper.
I love
This mirror is so cute. It's so cute. And I love the wallpaper in here.
Yes. Okay, so which one's yours? This one? Okay. Oh, it's so pretty. I love the little window seat.
Marcy, you want to tell them about your room?
Yeah, far we did walks with hip hop,
I love it.
and we got the desk over there for like sitting in on.
Actually, I think that was from Ballard Designs. He did have one we were going to get from there, but we went with Ballard.
And
Where'd you get your bed from?
my bed is called by grandma. Anyways, my aunt said, and it's in her house like
Love it.
so many years. Yes, that's really special.
Yes. I love the blue and white too. You did a good job. You have an eye. And then across here,
This is our other daughter. And this was her furniture back in Texas. We just brought it over and are using that for now. But again, more workables.
oh yeah, love those. So
Extra flat with accent wall.
so pretty in here. And the bench seat is perfect for all the friends.
All the friends. Yeah.
Yes. I love this wallpaper.
Isn't it fine?
Yeah.
I love it too.
And so tell me about what is the, did you order this vanity as is? Okay.
With the smoky blue colors, a little different color hardware in here. With the more of the gold. This is definitely a restore in progress. Definitely.
This is always the last room, it seems.
Yeah, it's been, I don't know, just taking my time, and I just haven't figured it out quite yet. And certainly Savvy Homes is helping. It's a priority for them right now. But I do love my ruggable in here as well. So cute. And the bed is a Sorrento and Lily.
And tell me about your doors over here.
Oh my gosh, this is my other favorite door, probably my most favorite door in the house. This is from Magnolia Antique Doors out of Louisiana. Great experience shopping actually online with them, and
Oh, good.
talking it through and figuring out what I wanted, and measuring install went great. And I did do a little bit of sanding and whitewashing when I got it here, but they're probably late 1800s, early 1900s. So to me, that's just fun and
Yes.
has some character.
Yes. And just the warmth of the wood. Just beautiful. And then your gold barn door hardware. Let's go in here. We tucked in a cabinet, a built-in cabinet on her side of the vanity for extra storage.
Yes, and that was well worth it. I use it a ton.
Yes.
It helps things stay a little neater.
So pretty. Tell us about your vanities and your mirrors and your light fixtures.
The counters are quartz, and we went with a polished nickel on the hardware in here for the faucet, which is a little bit different. We did satin nipple and most of the house, but we did the polished nipple in here. And the light fixtures are from Visual Comfort as well. Both the one above the tub and the sconces.
And then in this plan, this is really nice because you have your linen closet straight ahead. Let's see if I can find the light for it's in here. And then in here we have the shower.
I did the penny tile and the vertical deck on the flower tile.
And that's the linen. And then the water closet. And then this way.
This is marble. Yeah, here, just a little accent.
Yes. So, okay. Let's screen porch.
Yep, sounds great.
Oh, wow. I love the tile out here.
Yes, I was really glad that we did that. I love it on both sides of the house.
So pretty. And then the whitewash ceiling. This is beautiful.
Yeah, and the fireplace is just white oak, reclaimed from a place called Rustic Roots, not far from here.
This is a great spot.
Ready for it to get colder, and the fire's going.
Yeah.
Watching the football games and all.
Yeah. Enjoy the coffee. We're upstairs.
I am, yeah. There's
And-
one that care. I'm gonna turn that around actually and let it face
Space,
forward.
yeah. Because you have a great view.
Yeah. Let's do that.
We have a full bath, which is also directly accessible from the bedroom. Right over here. Here's the dormer. And I like how the window light from up here can sort of filter in and come down into the stairwell as well. You guys have done a gorgeous job. Everything is absolutely stunning.
Well, thank you. I give a lot of credit to my friend Lauren. She's come up several times from Dallas and helped me.
We hope you enjoyed this Willow Ranch Farmhouse tour. If you have any questions about this house plan or any of our plans, please visit our website, which is in the description, and we'll see you in the next one.